Hey, cool cats and kittens! If you don't know the reference, check out Netflix. Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Right now I'm obsessed with watching The Tiger King. It's an interesting, quite eccentric documentary. If you haven't seen it on Netflix, check it out. If you have, tell me your thoughts. It's insane. I hope this time at home has been keeping you busy and sane and doing well. Just try to stay home as much as possible. I am staying home. Nate is off work. Nasser is busy. We're doing daily activities. It's actually, we're doing pretty well over here. Nasser just keeps us busy. So it's great. And we're just trying to stay healthy and stay out of society and social distance and everything. So I hope you're doing the same. If you have to work during this time, thank you for exposing yourselves and doing as much as you can to stay healthy and helping all of us, especially healthcare workers. You guys are amazing. But I wanted to hop on here and say hi. How are you doing? How's your WIP Wednesday going? What's on your crochet hook? Let me know in the comment section what you're working on today. If you're on Facebook, share a photo of what you're working on today. This week is Virtual Spirit Week, if you haven't noticed already. So we're halfway through the week, and this week I posted a virtual spirit week for the crochet community to help us get through this staying inside dealio. So today was what are the essentials that you have in your crochet bag. So share with me what are the essentials that you keep in your craft bag and keep along with you. I have yarn, of course, and my current project, along with crochet hooks and scissors, a measuring tape, and a notebook to write down my patterns and everything. So I shared that photo earlier today. Also, I filmed a tutorial on my own by myself without my dad. It didn't go as well as I thought it would. It was okay. You'll see it. It's for the Funky with Chunky Yarn event that is being held on Sunday. Still happening because it's all virtual, so you can join me. I will put the event link in the description of this video. It's on Facebook, and all we're going to do on Sunday is work with chunky yarn and make some chunky yarn projects, and I will be releasing a tutorial for a chunky yarn project. I know last week I said it was going to be using some chunky yarns like Grande or a Bernat yarn, but I actually changed my mind and I said I was going to use 10 balls of yarn, but I actually changed it up because I did not have 10 balls of yarn, and the yarn, the place I need to get yarn at is closed. So I am going to compromise and change it up, but the project's still amazing. It's using 4 balls of this. I actually ran out. I used all 4 of the balls that I have, but I'm using Bernat Maker Big. It is this like nylon type. Here's one of my samples. It's this nylon cotton. It's kind of like a t-shirt yarn. So if you have t-shirt yarn, or if you have something like this stretchy, I guess, nylon cotton type of yarn, it's thick. I'll try to find the end of this ball because this is such cool yarn that like kind of has like polyfill inside of it. So cool. So this yarn, I'm going to be using 4 balls. That's 250 yards of yarn for the project that I'm going to be releasing on Sunday. For our chunky yarn event, our Funky with Chunky Yarn event. Check it out on Facebook. Join my group, YARNutopia World. Answer the 3 initial questions and you're in the group and we can have so much fun together. Join me there. Also, I am working on this baby blanket that has been taking me quite a while just because I have to do surface crochet on it, but it's coming out really nicely. And I'll be sharing the tutorial on this very soon. This is actually, surprise, it's a gift for one of my best friends. She's having a baby soon, and I am thinking of her, and I'm really excited for her, and her family is growing, so, and Nasser will have a little friend. Speaking of Nasser, he's just keeping us so busy. He is like walking with assistance, like he holds onto my hands and then he'll walk, or he can hold on to things and like he'll stand on one end of the couch and then use the couch to walk across the couch. It's so funny. And then or tables, he'll walk along the tables, or he's able to stand in place for like 5 seconds, but then he like plops down on his butt. He's so funny. He's eating so well, sleeping all night. He's just doing really, really well. So he's almost 10 months. In April, he'll be 10 months. Oh my goodness. He's growing so fast. I posted a picture of him on my Instagram. If you haven't seen it yet, he is wearing the cutest Easter outfit. Little bow tie, little hat. Oh, he's just adorable. So that's what we're up to over here. Not too much has changed since last week. I have not left the house. I have not gone anywhere. I have just stayed home. We made bread. Homemade bread was awesome. We are being creative with different things, like making new recipes, and I'm being creative with my crochet, and I'm glad that I have this hobby as my job and I can continue to work at home. And yeah, we're just trying to stay busy. We're doing a lot of Netflix, like I said. Right now we're watching the Tiger King, but we were watching, I like a lot of true crime shows, so we were watching a bunch of true crime shows. The Confession Killer was quite bizarre, actually, so if you haven't seen that either. If you know of any true crime shows on Netflix that maybe I have not seen, list your favorites in the comment section, because I have a lot of Netflixing to do in the next few weeks. But more and more places are closing in my city, and more places are, yeah, shutting down, and everybody is doing really well in social distancing, and I'm really proud of our community for what they're doing. So, and a big thank you to everybody who still has to work during this time. You guys are awesome. So yeah, that's really all I have to say today. Not much is really going on here. I'm going to upload a tutorial soon, and I hope you join me in the Funky with Chunky Yarn event. We're gonna have games, we're gonna have patterns, we're gonna check in and how we're doing on what crochet patterns we're working on. You don't have to do the same one as me, and we are going to be just doing some fun little activities on Sunday, and it's all day Sunday. So if you have something going on Sunday, like if you have a Netflix show you need to watch, or you have laundry to do or something, you know, you can go do your thing and then come back and check in anytime throughout the day. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you there, and until next week, I will be checking in. I don't want to get like too close to the camera. My eyebrows are not doing well. By the end of this social distancing, my face will be like out of control. My hair will be out of control. I hope I don't cut it myself. The memes online are just getting to me. I'm just like having a good time. I mean, trying to keep humor in it. Obviously, it is a very serious situation, and we are taking it seriously. We're staying home out of the society, but the humor it helps me get through things. So gotta laugh sometimes. But anyway, I better go. I'm gonna make some lunch, and I hope to see you next Wednesday. Have a great rest of your week. Happy hooking!